Hello. Welcome back to another Minecraft Pocket Edition video. Today I got something for you, which is called TNT holder. We filled it up with TNT. I don't think you all might like it, but I don't know, but I'm just gonna show you. So let's go out here. So this is our TNT fuse right here. Let me just kill this chicken. So annoying. So we got TNT fuse here, and this hole of TNT, because it's big. Let me show you. See, it's down, filled with lots of TNT down. Just that you can't see it because I already filled it, like so. You can't see it. I'm not sure if it's gonna blow up this area and where the red flowers are. At least it's not gonna build up this area, because this is the area that I can watch. Because I'm thinking that we're gonna build a little beach. Another beach that we did. Look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? I wanna come here for my lunch break. Or should I say during winter break? Whenever it snows. It can snow in Minecraft. So I'm just going to let me just grab out a button. So I have to do this every time because okay. On the count of 3, gotta push this button, then go. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3. There we go. In. Alright. Okay. Alright. It's coming. Wow. Did you guys heard that? Oh my goodness, guys, that was so amazing. You guys heard that? That was so amazing. Alright, let me take a look and see if it's on there still. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? Oh my. Like I said, it would blow up this area right here. Oh my goodness, I think I would find a way to get deeper down here. Oh man. That's amazing, guys. Oh, that sound was crazy. Oh, ooh. There's even ores here, but I can't mine that right now because I don't have pickaxe with me. And OMG, there's so much iron and coal. Fish. Coal fish. Cool fish. Oh man. Even my obsidian house is okay. I don't think you might have heard the crazy sound because maybe your volume will be lower. Or it's just that you cannot hear properly because of the sound lags. I don't know. But that was the craziest sound you ever heard. And this is it for today, guys. If you didn't enjoy, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. So, okay. Alright. That was it for today, guys. If you all liked it, then please say, wow, that was amazing. I'm gonna like and subscribe to your channel. Or you can say, that was crazy. How did you do that? I think I'll like and subscribe because I didn't like that sound, but that was crazy, but I still liked it. The beautiful thing you made that sound. Maybe you could say that. The beautiful set of the sun or the moon, well, which isn't here. Let me just fly up and see if it's here. Nah, that's just wasting time. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Goodbye.